The pesticide mixture in the Pesti application bag is thoroughly mixed when the solution is visually uniform and shows no settled solids or concentrated residue at the bottom. For reliable barrier creation, start by shaking the bag for the full time recommended by the product label and the Pesti instructions, usually until the internal solution appears homogeneous. Hold the bag up to a light background and rotate slowly to check for any undissolved granules, cloudiness, or streaking that would indicate separation. If the product contains emulsifiable concentrates or oils, pull the bag gently by rolling it between your palms to help blend phases and avoid vigorous whipping that can introduce foaming. After mixing, allow the bag to rest for a short period and inspect the lowermost corner for settled material, then remix if anything is visible. Always confirm that internal filters or screens in the applicator inlet are clean because clogged screens mask poor mixing and restrict flow. Finally, perform a quick flow test through the applicator onto an inconspicuous surface to verify spray pattern consistency before treating the target perimeter. Common mistakes include assuming brief agitation is sufficient, which leaves heavier particles settled. Remedy that by timing your shake and performing the visual rotation check until the solution is clearly uniform. A second problem is neglecting to check for oil and water separation in formulations containing both phases. Correct that by rolling the bag slowly and allowing a short equilibration time before a final inspection. The third issue is relying on flow alone to judge mixing because restricted screens or partial blockages can mimic uneven product distribution. Prevent that by cleaning inlet screens and conducting a flow test that confirms an even spray pattern across the applicator nozzle. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who offer treatment and barrier services and helps contractors find new projects in their service area. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share field tips and troubleshooting advice related to mixing and application.